girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, I read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato, with Shawty getting to work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vika, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, with that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me,
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNiceHair and today I'm reviewing this glueless closure unit, you guys, and I am so excited to share this with you. I did this really cool like trendy kind of style and I really like how it turned out. So what I did was I added a little bit of layers in the front just to like frame my face. I added some barrel curls all around, and typically I don't do this, but today I made sure that I kind of like set the curls in place, like doing each curl and then putting a clip on each curl and just like doing it like that just to help like make the curls last a little bit longer. And I also used some Got To Be spray just for some extra security, and this is how it turned out. I did add these two braids on the side. I was gonna like pull them apart, but I kind of like them like not pulled apart, because when I was like starting to pull it apart I just didn't like how that looks, because most of the times like when people do this style they do a fishtail braid, but I don't know how to do fishtail braids. So this is what I came up with and I think it looks really beautiful, especially on this highlighted unit. The color is so pretty. I really like this like chunky blonde piece that's like right in the front, and it has like just a perfect amount on both sides, and I love that about it because, you know, sometimes when people do like the highlighted looks, they don't put enough of the highlight in the front. Sometimes the highlight is so thin and it's like barely there. So I love the fact that you can actually see it. The highlights throughout this whole unit is so beautiful, and this color complements me very well, so I love that too, you know. And as far as the parting space on this unit, although this is a closure unit, this unit has a lot of parting space on it. It is like super deep. I did add some concealer in the part here just to help it stand out a little bit more, so hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, the parting space is definitely on the deeper side. This unit definitely fit on the larger side for me, and because of that I wasn't able to do a glueless install. I really wish that I could have, and I literally tightened the elastic band. I adjusted the elastic band as far as it can go, and this unit still fits large on me. So I will say, if you do order this unit, just be prepared that it's going to fit a little bit on the larger side if you do typically have a smaller head like myself. Now the top looks lighter on the camera than it actually is. Like back here you can see like the real color to it. Up here it just looks a lot lighter, so yeah. But this is what I did use on the lace. If you want to know how I tinted the lace to help match me a little bit better, I did use the color dark brown. Typically I like to get medium dark brown, but every time I try to go buy it, it's like sold out. I guess because it's such a common color for most people, so there's that. But yeah, it still turned out really good. As far as the inches on this one, I'm not sure, but I want to say it's like a standard 24 inch. I don't feel like it's anything longer than that. And then the density for me, I feel like it's 150% density, but it could possibly be 180% density. This is all of it up front, by the way, so that's why I'm saying that. Even though it's curled, you know, it still looks very full, so I do like that about it. Like even though it is on the thinner side, because of the curls, because of the way that I styled it, it makes it look a little bit thicker than what it actually is. Because when it was straight, I was like, oh, it's It's giving thin. But yeah, I was able to work with it and it came out so good. Like I said, this color complements me so well. I just really like it. I love the colorway. It's just so beautiful how they done it. And I really like the fact that this hair is actually holding a curl, because I have curled like straight units in the past and they don't hold a curl. Like they don't hold a curl whatsoever, to the point where I just have to like literally just flat iron it because it was a waste of my time curling the hair. So I like the fact that this one actually holds a curl, and this unit just came out so beautiful. Absolutely love it. The other thing that I did want to mention is that this unit is a breathable unit. So the inside construction of the unit, it basically has like gaps where you'll see like the tracks and everything, and you may look at that and be like, why is it like that? They make it that way on purpose so that your natural scalp can breathe while you're wearing this protective style. So just, you know, keep that in mind. That is always a great feature to have in a unit, because it is very important that you do let your natural scalp breathe. Just keep that in mind with this unit. But yeah, you guys, and you guys can already see like where this unit is hitting on me, but I will, you know, like turn around real quick so y'all can see, you know, what it looks like from the side, even with like the braid and everything. Okay, and I also think that this is a great way for like, you know, chocolate girls to like do the blonde, you know, if you want to kind of like try that vibe out. Here's just, you know, more so of like an up close look, just so you guys can see, because, you know, I like to give you guys a wider shot. You know, I like to make sure that you can see like every angle. This is what it's looking like, and then I just have like, you know, some rubber bands on the end just to hold like that braid there, and then there's still a curl in this part as well. So I like that part about it. It just kind of flows into the hair, you know, after you put the rubber band on. It's just a really cool unit. Here is another look at the parting space in the front. You get so much parting space up here. Definitely giving like 5x5, maybe even a 5x6 maybe. I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know in the description box. You guys always know that. But yeah, so pretty. I love this. I love how it turned out. Love the lace. Like, I love everything about it. The only thing that I wish is that the only thing that I wish is just that I wish it fit me a little bit more snug. You know, it is a little bit loose on me, but other than that, I have no complaints with this unit, you guys. Like, absolutely nothing bad to say about it. So yeah, if you guys are interested and want to get your hands on this glueless unit, which is also perfect for the girls who want a quick and easy style, okay? This is perfect for the girls who are just like on the go, you're running errands, you don't have time to sit there and put on a whole lace front. This is definitely going to be the unit for you, especially if you have a bigger head. This is definitely big head friendly. So if you're interested, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNiceHair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.